If you have a website but you are not using Google Analytics 4, you are missing valuable information. You don't know where your visitor comes from, which page they enjoy most, or why they leave your website without becoming your customers. Many people think Google Analytics 4 is difficult to set up because the interface looks complicated. But once you understand the process, it actually much simpler than it seems. Hi, I'm Malikul Maksud, ROI-driven web analytics expert. I help businesses collect and analyze accurate data so they can make better marketing decisions, improve performance, and increase their revenue. In this video, I will show you how you can set up Google Analytics 4 from scratch, step by step. You don't need any coding experience. By the end of this tutorial, you will have GA4 connected with your website, ready to track the data that matters, helping your businesses to take better marketing decisions and grow your business. If you enjoy practical tutorial about Google Analytics 4, Google Tag Manager and conversion tracking, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the future video. Now let's jump into the setup and get started. Before we start the setup, let's quickly check what you need. Do not worry, there are only a few simple things and I will show them all on the screen now. First, an active website or app. Make sure you have admin access because you will need to add the tracking code on it later. Second, a Google account. A regular Gmail account works perfectly. And if you are using Google Workspace for your business, that's fine too. Third, a Google Tag Manager account. We will use Google Tag Manager to install Google Analytics 4 because it's the easiest, cleanest and most professional way to manage your tracking without editing your website code every time. If you already have Google Tag Manager set up on your website, you are ready to go. If not, do not worry. I already have a complete step-by-step tutorial on this channel showing you how you can create Google Tag Manager account and install it on your website. And I will give the link of that video in here. You can watch the video first and come back here to continue with GA4 setup. First thing first, in the browser you will write google.com/analytics and enter. If you already have a Google Analytics 4 account, sign in, and if not, quickly create a free account with Get Start today. Once you are in, if you have never used Google Analytics before, you will see a big Start Measuring button. Click that. Now, let's fill out the basics. The account name. This is usually a company name. Suppose my company name is Webshop. So I write Webshop. Data sharing settings. Leave this checked for Google support or uncheck them if you prefer maximum privacy. Then click Next. Property name. Basically the business name. A company might have different businesses and all businesses require individual Google Analytics 4 property. So we write the property name as the website name. Suppose we have a business website name yshop.com. So we write yshop.com as a property name. Repeating time zone or currency. Make sure to set this to your local time and currency or your e-commerce data will be nightmare to calculate later. Suppose our business is in USA, so we select USA as the time zone and also our currency is US dollar. We select US dollar. Then click Next. Answer a couple of quick questions about your industry, size and hit Create. Suppose our industry is beauty and fitness and business size we have 10 employee or 1 to 10 employee, then click Next. In these stages, we will select our objectives. If this is a service-based businesses, we will select the generate leads, and if this is the e-commerce website, we will drive sales. Then click Create and read the terms. I prefer you read this properly and click the check mark and select Accept. And boom, your analytics property is officially born. Now, Google Analytics 4 need to know where it's pulling data from. This is called a data stream. Because we are setting this up for a website, click on the web platform option. Here you need to enter two things. Website URL, type your domain name, stream name. Just type something simple like main website. Before you click create, notice this toggle down here called enhance measurement. Leave this turned on. This is a superpower for GA4. It's automatically track page view, scroll, outbound clicks and video engagement without you having to write a single line of code. Now click create stream. Once you create your data stream, Google Analytics 4 will show you your measurement ID. This is the ID that starts with G, and you will use it to connect your website to Google Analytics 4. There is two main ways to install Google Analytics 4 on your website. First option is to copy the Google tag provided by the Google Analytics 4 and add it directly to the head tag section of your website. This is a simple option if you have access to edit your website code. Now I will show you how you set up this Google tag directly on your website. You just copy the code and go to the website. This is the WordPress website. You see test.malakulmaksud.com. Go to the appearance. Under the appearance, find theme file editor. Under the theme, you will find the header.php, and in the header.php, you will get the head tag. Under the head tag, just create some space, paste the code. Click update file. Then the Google Analytics 4 is set up on your website. Once the code is installed, Google Analytics can start collecting data from your website. Second option is Google Tag Manager, and this is the method I recommended. Instead of adding tracking code directly to your website, you install Google Tag Manager once. After that, you can manage Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, Metapixel, TikTok Pixel, and other tracking tools from one central place. You simply add your measurement ID inside Google Tag Manager, configure tags, and set it fire on all pages. Now I will show you how you can set up Google Analytics 4 on your website. From the Google tag, just copy the measurement ID and go to the Google Tag Manager account. Click on the tag, then click New. Click on the tag configuration. You see lots of templates in the template gallery. Click on the Google Analytics. Click in the Google tag. And in the Google tag template, you see there is a tag ID. Just paste the measurement ID in here. And then select trigger, select all page. And give this tag a name. GA4 base code page view. And then save. And your Google Analytics 4 setup complete. This makes your tracking setup clean, easier to manage, and much more flexible as your business grows. Never just assume it works. Let's verify it right now. Open incognito window and visit your website like this. Keep the tab active. See, I visit my website and keep my tab active. Now go back to the Google Analytics 4 dashboard. You see this is the Google Analytics 4 we create. Let's check in the report and real time now. You see this is the new account we are creating right now. Click on the report icon on the left menu and select real time overview. If you scroll down, you just see there is a hit we are already receiving. If you set up everything correctly, you'll see a big number 1 pop up on the map, indicating a live user on the website. If you see it, congratulations! If you are officially tracking your data. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you have successfully set up Google Analytics 4. It usually takes 24 to 48 hours for deep data and full report to start populating in your dashboard. So don't worry if it looks a bit empty today. If you run into any issues and got stuck in any steps, just drop a comment below. I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped clear the confusion, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a fellow business owner, and do not forget to subscribe for more tutorials that make tech simple. In the next video, we will learn how to set up e-commerce conversion tracking in Google Analytics 4 for WooCommerce website. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.